Meet iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit, the ultimate solution for all your electronics repair and maintenance needs. Get ready to discover the comprehensive toolkit that empowers you to confidently repair and maintain your electronic devices. The iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit is designed to make electronics repair and maintenance a breeze. With its wide range of precision tools and high-quality construction, it provides everything you need to tackle any electronic device. Let's explore the remarkable features that make the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit your go-to solution. Comfort is essential during prolonged use, and the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit understands that. With its ergonomic design and comfortable grip, it minimizes hand fatigue and provides optimal control and precision. Introducing the Sten Climber, the ultimate tool for reaching new heights with ease and safety. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Sten Climber provides the perfect solution for various tasks, from home maintenance to construction projects. With its innovative design and robust construction, this telescoping ladder offers exceptional stability and durability. The Sten Climber features adjustable height settings, allowing you to customize it to suit your specific needs. Its compact size when collapsed makes storage and transportation a breeze. Climb with confidence and reach new heights with the Sten Climber, the reliable and versatile telescoping ladder for all your vertical endeavors. The Sten Climber is designed to elevate your performance in various tasks. Introducing the SpeedHex Flip-Out Rechargeable Power Screwdriver, the ultimate tool for your DIY projects. With its compact design and powerful performance, this innovative screwdriver is a game-changer for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Flip-Out features a unique rotating head that provides easy access to tight spaces, allowing you to tackle any screwdriving task with precision and ease. Its rechargeable battery ensures continuous use, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during prolonged use. Introducing the Conduit Lock Nut Wrench, the essential tool for all your electrical conduit applications. Designed for effortless tightening and loosening of lock nuts, this wrench is a must-have for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, while its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for extended use. The Conduit Lock Nut Wrench features a specialized design that allows for easy access to tight spaces, making it perfect for working in electrical panels, junction boxes, and conduit fittings. Your reliable companion for electrical installations and repairs. Get ready to discover the versatile and efficient tool that tackles a variety of tasks with ease. The Tiger Wrench is designed to simplify your repair tasks with its unique and innovative design. With its multifunctional capabilities and ergonomic handle, it becomes your go-to tool for a wide range of projects. Let's explore the remarkable features that make the Tiger Wrench a must-have in your toolbox. The Tiger Wrench is a game-changer with its revolutionary design. It features a 48-in-1 socket system that adjusts to fit various sizes and shapes. From standard hex nuts and bolts to eye-hooks and wing nuts, the Tiger Wrench handles them all. With this single tool, you can tackle a multitude of repair tasks effortlessly and efficiently. Effortless repairs are at the heart of the Tiger Wrench. Its 48-in-1 socket system ensures a perfect fit for different fasteners, allowing you to quickly and easily adjust the tool to the required size. No more searching for the right wrench or socket. Say goodbye to traditional paintbrushes and rollers. The Flexio Paint Sprayer revolutionizes your painting projects with its innovative design. Whether you're painting walls, ceilings, furniture, or fences, this sprayer handles a variety of surfaces with ease. Its versatile functionality allows you to tackle different projects effortlessly, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter, the Flexio Paint Sprayer provides a versatile and efficient solution for your painting projects. With its innovative design and advanced technology, this sprayer offers precise control, even coverage, and minimal overspray. The Flexio Paint Sprayer features adjustable settings, allowing you to customize the paint flow and spray pattern to match your specific needs. From walls and ceilings to furniture and fences, this sprayer handles a wide range of surfaces with ease. Upgrade your painting experience with the Flexio Paint Sprayer and achieve stunning results every time. The Flexio Paint Sprayer is designed to elevate your painting experience to new heights. With its advanced technology and adjustable settings, it becomes your trusted companion for achieving stunning and even results. Let's explore the remarkable features that make the Flexio Paint Sprayer the ultimate painting tool. This is the CENRP Nation Universal Power Tool Battery, a high-performance, long-lasting solution for all your power tools. Designed for universal compatibility, this battery works seamlessly with multiple brands and tools, eliminating the need for different batteries. With high-capacity lithium cells, it delivers extended runtime and reliable power, so you can work longer without interruptions. Featuring fast-charging technology, it gets you back to work quickly, minimizing downtime. Durable, efficient, and built to perform, the CENRP Nation battery is a game-changer for professionals and DIYers alike. Power up your tools with CENRP Nation, because one battery should do it all. This is the Zaveen Portable Mini Air Pump, a compact, powerful, and must-have tool for your everyday adventures. Despite its mini size, this pump delivers big performance, making it perfect for inflating tires, balls, and more. Designed for versatility, it works on bicycles, motorcycles, sports gear, and even emergency car tire inflation. With its smart pressure control and easy-to-use digital display, you get precise inflation every time. Lightweight, USB rechargeable, and easy to carry, the Zaveen Mini Air Pump fits right in your bag or glove box, ready when you need it. Upgrade your gear with the Zaveen Portable Mini Air Pump because great things come in small packages.